Alright guys, we're here today at the Yamaha dealer to check out a few shirts. Here they have a lot of stuff. They just don't have motorcycles or dirt bikes or four-wheelers. They actually have a lot of other clothing stuff. So let's get to it. Last time we were here, we bought a couple of shirts because we came here a week after we bought our four-wheeler because we were looking for coolant. And we came here to ask because again, it's our first four-wheeler, so we don't know. And this is where Google took us, and I really like this spot. I really came here once, bought a few shirts, and I also bought coolant.
I like this blue. The black one looks nice too. Hey George. You saw this one?
This
is a C45, 450. You can see this is a Yamaha dealer. They sell a lot of stuff here, but here we came to check out a few shirts. Because I have a few already for like dirt biking, but I want some more. See, this is what is this? $250cc. I like that one. I like the black one and the blue one and this one too. Oh, we got like the old school looking. How much? Oh, how much is it? How much is this little one? This is a little one. How much? Oh, it doesn't have a price tag. This one, the matte black. Es diferente paquete. Yes, see that? It says 2021 Monster Energy. Okay, what is it? Yeah? How much is it? I like this one.
Esta es la que yo quiero.
Nice. 417. La negra también es chingona.
5,000 este.
I'm more of a black. Me gusta más la negra. La negra or la monster dirt bike. What is this? I don't want to say the dirt bike and then not know what it means. The 450. The 450. Kind of like the 454. You see here's for like the tires. I like this one too. It's like the classic blue Yamaha. You have speedboats too. It's really hard like to show you guys everything because like, there's a lot. There is a lot. It's really hard to show you guys everything because there is a lot of stuff. That one and this one are the same, just they're actually the same price too, 2021s. I don't know why, but like in this type of bikes, I like more the black one just because it looks cleaner. So there's a lot of stuff here, guys. You have speed. What do you call these? I know what they're called. I just want to get you guys like the right name. The EX Limited. It's the EX Limited. Sounds like a Pope. Oh yeah, it's like one of these things in here. You can see the EX. Oh, that is pretty cool. These are one of the things you get out. Oh, okay, okay. I see why it's called EX. I like it. I like it. It's really hard, like, to not like any of these bikes. See. And these guys actually just don't have like your normal these guys actually just don't have like your normal dealer stuff. They actually have a lot of clothing for dirt biking, for the water vibes. You see, a lot of stuff here. And here's kind of like the cooler part that a lot of people like seeing is like the helmets. See all those helmets. I think those are like the kid ones, but then the real expensive ones are right here. Well, I'll take you guys aisle by aisle. Right here we have just your basic Yamaha shirts, Fox shirts. These are not the shirts I was talking about that I came here, or like at least to look for them. This is for the snow time. Right here, kid sizes. And then here, this is like the hoodie vibe. Fox hoodie, kids right here, I think. And then this adults. And then right here is where the good stuff starts, where you get all the big brands, Fox, Yamaha, all that big stuff. So all this Fox, these are for kids. This is just already adults. And then here you have all the cool helmets. These are all just the motorcycle helmets. There's a lot of stuff here. This one looks dope. And then guys, I'll show you guys the dirt bike helmet. It's very different. And it's right here. They're right over here.
Banana.
This is the one that I will get. I mess with the blue one. I like the blue one. The blue one's nice. And then over here we have more helmets. These are kid helmets right here. They're all nice. But I mess with the blue one. And then here we have the glasses. They're the ones I want.
Thank you.
This one, these, I don't know why. Oh wait, actually I grabbed the wrong ones.
What happens if you end up taking
Grabbed the wrong ones. Oh, what? Oh, what? You don't have them anymore. They had like these real cool Fox, like the glasses, but it was like those blue ones I showed you guys, but in the glass was different. It was like a mirror, and I always thought that those glasses with the goggles would look real nice with like something like this because it was like the same color. I like the vibe, but they don't have them. I was gonna get them. Disappointment. And then here are the shirts, pants.
I don't mean like this, I mean like that you found it. Then we got clothes.
Yeah, they don't have them. That's a disappointment. But then, so then you have your glasses, your boots. Actually, here are the boots. That's what I was talking about. Here are the boots. You can see the difference. They're a bit bigger. They're a bit bulkier, more sporty looking, I guess you'd say. Oh, I like this blue one. This is the one I already have. It's a fox logo here, the fox logo here, and then a little fox I didn't realize it had until I was at my house. Now these shirts cost 32 US, and then the pants, I haven't got any pants because they're real expensive. $100 for pants. I barely buy $50 pants. And here are all the cool little hats they have too.
We do, they'll be in on Monday. It's the same, it's, if you want to call back, yeah. They're not anything, so if you want to call back on Monday. And we only service the on-time. Okay, sure.
Blue. Sometimes they have them mixed up. That's why I'm like checking the back. Jesus Christ! You have a lot of stuff. Like I said, this is the dirt bike stuff. Oh, dirt bike with motorcycle looks like kind of like the more affordable ones because I'm trying to see the brands and I don't really recognize the brands. It has a brand name, but I don't know if they're, you know what I mean? Here's all like the life jackets. This is kind of like your water sports type of thing. You have your water shoes, these thingamajiggies. And then over here, what is this? Right here. So then here you have more life jackets, and then you just have jackets here. You see, boom, $99, $30, $89. I can't see. I need glasses. Or I have glasses. I just don't really wear. And then here you can see more jacket stuff. You know, really jam-packed dealers. To be honest, you have a lot of vehicles and a lot of clothes. It's like mainly this dealer is mainly clothing, I would say, which is cool. It's only about like 30 minutes. I'll drop the address right here. If you guys live in the city, you know, this is kind of like the closest thing you'll get to like a Yamaha dealer. It is a Yamaha dealer. There is some that have more stuff, but are like an hour or two away, which I'm not trying to drive that far. We already came here once, bought a couple things, and loved it, and we had to come back. Unfortunately, right now we're realizing that there is no shirts.